What's your name and what town are you from?
My name is Yasi Sadat and I'm from Newton, Massachusetts.
Yasi, do you remember one particular moment or event during the campaign for Obama in Massachusetts that you found memorable?
Well, I didn't really campaign in Massachusetts. I campaigned in two places, in New Hampshire, and I also went to Jacksonville, Florida. And I think the one thing that really stands out for me was when I actually was in Jacksonville, I had came with the expectation of what I had seen in New Hampshire. We had tons of volunteers from Massachusetts organizing every weekend going to New Hampshire. And when I went to Jacksonville, I was sort of expecting the same kind of feel, but we were really, really short in volunteers, and we had everything else ready to go. We just didn't have enough people coming in. But I think what really struck me at that time was just this difference of people really want to help, but for whatever reason they can't, or they're not really volunteering. But we did actually, like everything sort of happened in the last moment, and like in 2 minutes to make decisions. So we just decided to go to a rally that they were having for Obama. Some other women for Obama, I think they had it, and we just went there and we grabbed a piece of paper and we just asked for volunteers and we walked around. And when we talked to people, they said, okay, so we got a bunch of volunteers to come in for election day, and I think that was sort of representative of everything that was happening, and everything was happening in a matter of moments, and just making quick decisions and just making things happen.
How did you feel when Obama won Florida?
Oh, it was unbelievable. I can't even explain the moment. Florida was announced after he had actually won the election, so I was very ecstatic the minute they announced he won the election, but then I was sort of still waiting. I'm like, I hope he also gets Florida. So when I got Florida, I wasn't actually in Florida. I was already back in Massachusetts, but I just started calling everybody over there, and they were calling me back, and it was just, I kept thinking about the people there.